Angelo Dent Removal. Today we're going to be fixing a 2013 Ford Explorer. It's got about a 4-inch dent. Also, there's a small area here on the line where someone else tried to repair it. We're going to fix that too. I've got a couple small dents down here on the line. We're going to go ahead and take care of those as well. Got the 4-inch crease back in shape. Body line's all back into shape. Corrected the other work from the other shop. Got that back into shape. Fixed the 2 dents down here at the bottom. Everything's 100% paintless, so there was no painting, no filler, no Bondo. All this stayed 100% original.
Angelo Dent Removal would like to thank you for watching the video. Another flawless repair like it was never there. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give us a thumbs up.